Fish on. There we go. Woohoo! Finally got something. Oh yeah, baby. It's a very small fish, probably a small piranha. Whatever it is, I'll take it. Yeah, that's just what it was. Oh baby, it's a baby piranha. Oh, it's actually a different species from the ones I've been catching on my previous videos. Oh my god, look at those teeth though. Hello there, Mr. Piranha. This is Serrasalmus marginatus. That's the name of the species, or the Latin name of this species. They're such a beautiful piranha and they're very aggressive. Look at that. Look at those teeth. I don't want to put my hands too close to those teeth, but look at that. It's a beautiful fish, isn't it? Look at the fins. Look at the whole picture of the fish. Beautiful piranha. I'll let you go, buddy. Alright. That's a good catch. No wonder I couldn't catch anything with the bigger hook. Those piranhas have small teeth and they just bite chunks of the bait instead of biting the whole hook. The only way to catch it was to put a smaller hook and less bait, of course. Ah. Woohoo! What is that? Oh my god! That's a jumper. What did you get? Ho 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 ho! Woo! Now that, guys, that's what I like to call a fish. Oh my god, it's a freshwater croaker. It's my personal best freshwater croaker. I can't believe I found one of these guys here. It's exactly what I was trying to catch. Man, what a beauty. Look at that. Oh my god, guys, it's a freshwater croaker. I've never caught one this big. It actually gave a couple of jumps. I can't believe this. There we go, Mr. Croaker. Woo! These guys are very good eating, but I don't know, man. I just don't feel like keeping fish right now. I wanna catch and release because I've never caught one this beautiful and this big. So I'm just gonna take a quick picture and I'm gonna release this guy because this is a very good catch. This is one of the best surprises I've ever had while fishing my local lakes. I gotta say, this is a beautiful fish. I'm so happy I caught one of these, and I'm gonna release it because this guy deserves to live. Woo! Look at that, guys. What an amazing catch. They're not the most fighters, they're not the best fighting fish, but they're actually a quite rare catch in this area. So I'm super happy. That's my personal best for a freshwater croaker. I never caught one that big, and that was an incredible fish. Super happy about it. And let's keep fishing. I still have some minutes of daylight. Maybe 10 more minutes to fish here. I can catch another croaker or who knows what. Let's give it a shot. Another fish. Whoa, whoa, that's a good fish. Oh my God, that's a big one. What is that? Holy, what did I just get? Oh my goodness, a good catfish. Oh, what is that? That's a new species. That's something I've never caught in my life before. Holy, that's a catfish, but what kind of catfish is this? Oh my God, guys, I have no idea what this is, but it's such a beautiful catfish. Holy, what is that? Look at that cat. Look at those colors. Look at that pattern of on this catfish. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I've never seen one of these before. I've never caught one. I've never seen one in picture. I have no idea what this is. But whoo, I'm gonna take a picture, a couple of good pictures, and I'm gonna have to do some research later because I have no idea what this catfish is. So I'm gonna have to take quite a few pictures before releasing it, because I have no frigging idea what this is. It's definitely a new species for me. I don't know if it's a hybrid or what. Honestly, I have no idea what this could be. It's definitely a local species, not an invasive or anything. But I've never seen one of these before. Oh, it swallowed the hook. I'm gonna... Okay. That wasn't too difficult. Alright, guys, look at that. That's a beautiful catfish. Alright, man. Feel free to go. Woohoo! Okay, now this, guys, this was a real productive afternoon. I just caught a personal best freshwater croaker and now a new rare, very rare species of catfish. I had no idea what that was, and I'm gonna have to do a research or ask around if anybody knows, because that was a real nice fish, man. This is a very good spot. I wonder if I can catch any more. It's almost dark, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to try. Fish on. There we go. Finally. Took me a while. Oh yeah, that's why. That's just why I haven't been able to catch anything the whole day. It's been eating my bait. This, guys, it's absolutely full of these guys. Little marginatus piranha. Look at that. That's the only thing that's been biting the whole day. And it's been eating all of my bait. These guys are so annoying. You have no idea. Beautiful fish though. Pretty cool looking. I'm gonna take a quick little picture. And go for the release. Fish on. There we go. There we go. What did I get? Tiny little catfish. Oh, this species again. Same species I caught last time. And it was the first one I've ever caught. And now I just caught another. Only much smaller than the last one I caught, but hey, that's a beautiful little catfish. Oh, I swallowed the hook, so I'm gonna have to take out my pliers and see if I can release this guy. All right, let's get the pliers. These should do. All right, let's see if I can get the hook out safely. Oh, there we go. Little catfish, ornatus. That's the name of this species. Beautiful little cat. All right, let you go. Now that's getting a little bit better. There we go. There we go. There we go. Finally a fish. Oh, Mr. Oh, that's a new species for the channel. Look at that. That's a new species for the channel, guys. This is a, well, I forgot the scientific name of the species, but this is what we like to call in Spanish. We call these guys a toad catfish. I guess because they kind of look like a toad. But yeah, we call these guys toad catfish. Oh. I'll try to hold it by the mouth and look at that beautiful fish, Mr. Toad Catfish. These guys, they really like. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay, these guys, they really like hanging out around rocks. Woo! So that's why I caught it right there between the pillars of the bridge. These guys always like they hide inside rock spaces and spaces between rocks and places like that. So that's why I just got this guy right there. Beautiful little fish. Let's see if I can catch something else.